Hopefully I can get a little more life out of my bag now. I put replacement wheels on. They came with a couple different axles with a screw. I had to drill out the riveted wheels that were there, but looks like my bag rolls again. I'll get a little bit more life out of it, but it's all torn up inside. Good stuff for now. Should get us through SoCal Supermoto. Flipping it over on the inside, this thing is falling apart. The zipper's coming off, lining's torn. It's about 7 or 8 years old. I will get a little more life out of it from the wheels, but at this point, at least I can go do a track day.